So we're going to talk about tankas, and we're on page 14 of your poetry book. We'll talk about tankas, and that's tankas with a TA, not Tonka like a Tonka truck. Okay, I wish it was a Tonka truck, but it's not a Tonka truck. Okay, so check this out. You guys remember a few weeks ago we did haikus. Haikus were a 3-line poem of 17 syllables, and you had to count the syllables. So, like, Hunter, what's your middle name? Hunter William Askew. He's got 6 syllables in his name. Basketball. Basketball is 3 syllables. Caleb, what's your middle name? Caleb David Town. You got 5 syllables in your name. Everybody knows how to count syllables, right? Town, yeah, Townie. Okay. So like Burger King. Burger King has 3 syllables. Okay. You just count the syllables. Okay. So a tanka is pretty easy because it's a 5-line Japanese poem with 31 syllables. Okay. If you look right here, it goes through the format. Line 1 is going to have how many, y'all? 5, then. So, yeah. So a haiku, y'all. A haiku, guys, with 575. A tanka is 5755. So it's kind of like a haiku on steroids, or it's like the Incredible Hulk version of a haiku. Okay. So we got a few examples down here. We're not going to lose too much sleep on. We'll pick a number between 1 and 3. 2. Everybody look at number 2. 14, sir. Example 2 says, subtle hints of spring in the wet bark of the tree, dew dripping from the leaves, then runs down the russet trunk, pools around the roots, and is drunk. Oh, isn't that wonderful? Okay, let's look at number 1. A cool wind blows in with a blanket of silence, straining to listen for those first few drops of rain. The storm begins in earnest. Ooh, that feels so classy. Okay, so it's kind of like haikus. It's just a snapshot. It's not like you're trying to tell a big long story. So I'm gonna write one with y'all right now. Let me zoom in on this a little bit. Whoop, there we go. Not the most elegant way to do this. So let's see here. I'll pick on London. I realize in like every poem I've written an example I've used you, so I'm not gonna pick on you today. Okay. We'll pick on Hunter though. Hunter went to the. Here we go. This is my poem, not y'all's. Watch my example. Hunter went to the. That's 5. So the next line, how many syllables, y'all? 7. Went to the grocery store to buy eggs. Went to the grocery store to buy a bottle of bug juice. A bottle of bug juice. Yes. All right, so I've got 5, 7, and 5. Now my last one's got to have 7. He drank the juice and turned. No, he drank the juice and turned. No, how about when he drank the juice, he turned. When he drank the juice. Remember, this is my example. He turned. Yeah, make sure I got 7. When he drank the juice, he turned the 7 into the incredible. No, I can't do it. Oh, he turned into the incredible. Nope. He turned into a raging. No. He into a giant. No. He into a ugly bug. No. He turned into a giant blue bug. Into a giant blue bug. All right. So Doesn't make a lot of sense. It's not a great piece of art, but check this out. 57577. It's a format, it's a process. It's format and the process. Hunter went to the grocery store to buy a bottle of bug juice. When he drank the juice, he turned into a giant blue bug. Oh no! Hunter, what kind of bug are you? Are you like Fly Guy? Remember those books, Little Fly Guy? No? Okay. That's how easy it is. So check it out. Right down here, y'all. I'm going to use my highlighter. It says, compare 3 Tonka poems. 3 Tonka poems equals 1 entry in your poetry book. That makes sense? Okay, so all you got to do is 3 of these guys. And so what we're going to do, right here on your folded sheet of paper, 1, 2, and 3. Does that make sense? Rock and roll. Stop this. Oh my gosh, guys, don't forget to like my channel, subscribe to my channel. Can you like a channel? Oh, you can't? No, but like a channel. So let me try this again. Here's what I want you to do, brother. I want you to like this video. Comment below. I want you to subscribe to my network. And then, good evening. I would love it if you'd like this video. Comment below in the comments. And also, subscribe to my channel. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you get an update every time I post an amazing, educational, wonderful video. Holla if you hear me.